Good afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we've had a real nice day today. It's been the 70s. Uh, this is hive number 102, dead tree. The sun is going down. It's going down, down, down. I don't want to put it right in your face. Yeah, there it is. But anyway, sun's going down. And we're going to check this one. They got roosters in the top, but that's what the screen's for. Got a yellow queen, eggs, brood, and little sores. We've been feeding them pretty good. That's their screen. The feeder is empty. They got a little sugar left. Guess I used a staple. Oh, yep. See how crooked it is? Yeah. So we'll put that right there. Got a pretty good amount of bees in it still. Oh, I'm standing in front of the door over here. We're going to take this one off. Come on, y'all. Y'all see those critters? This one here has nothing on it but a few bees. Good frame though. Pretty frame. This one. Nice foundation, nice frame. It has some nectar on it. Take some of this propolis off. Pretty thick on this side. But that's them. Got little groceries. No bugs in the bottom. Bottom board looks okay. This one here has some nectar in it. Got a little pollen. This one here's got some nectar and a little pollen. Same thing on both sides. Side over here you got a dab of honey, about the size of a 50-cent piece. I know you don't know what a 50-cent piece is. This one here has a yellow queen right there. It has brood, eggs. Same thing on this side. See the queen? Pretty queen. Put her back in the house. This one has a little honey. That one there has more honey. Bottom's still clean, no buggers down there. Boogers. Anyway, we'll put that back. She's doing fine. She's laying like she's supposed to lay when it was cold. She'll start laying again later this month when it warms up a little bit more. I mean, this is only December. And they will fill up all this stuff. So, now. We can fill up their feeder. We're going to put them a little bit more sugar down. Get this out of here. Hey girl. Little baby right there. Just walking. There she goes. Take this paper out of here. Maybe we just give a double dab of food. Let's see here. I think that would give them more good right now because the weather is still warm, so they can eat and store food. So we're going to put this one here, and we're going to put this one here, and we're going to fill both of them up. We'll fill both of them up with food. When it starts to turn a little cooler, we'll take these off and put some more dry sugar in there. We're going to put that in there. They don't really care, I don't think, as long as the girls got something to eat. And we're giving them something like 3 to 4 to 1 sugar syrup here. And I think that will help them out a little bit faster with their growth. Here we go, because there's no need to let the bees go hungry. Okay. I don't like all that pine straw sticking over the edge, but you know, that's what we got. Okay, girls. Where you at? And they're there, and that's that. And we're going to go on to another one. Hope y'all enjoyed that, but that's what the bees are doing. This is a little nuke. We had problems with it before with the queen, but they're growing okay. So y'all give us a thumbs up, a comment, share it. Yes, I've taken a nap. I feel much better now. Share. And we spent all morning at the hospital with my wife getting some tests made for her operation. But anyway, y'all, this is it. Y'all have a great day.